Hi everyone, my name's Haley Rohr. My group and I did our project on pro genetic advances. I'm going to be talking to you about the issue, its significance and background, and prior efforts and their effectiveness at solving the problems. Genetic advances in the medical field have allowed the scientific community to create innovative technology such as the clustered, regularly interspaced, short palindromic repeat-associated system, also referred to as CRISPR-Cas. CRISPR-Cas9 functions as a pair of scissors that can be guided by RNA to cut DNA at a specific point in the cell. When the cell tries to repair itself where it was cut, it often fails, causing the targeted gene to turn off. CRISPR-Cas9 has already been used to successfully alter 36 different organisms. This technology is a huge improvement compared to previous technologies due to its low cost and simplicity of utilization. As CRISPR-Cas9 is a relatively new technology, it's predicted that in the future the technology could decrease incurable diseases such as genetic disorders, cancer, and even HIV and AIDS. While CRISPR-Cas9 has still not been fully developed for use on human embryos, one of the major issues that must be considered is that of informed consent. This is one of the most prominent and important issues related to CRISPR-Cas9. When it comes to informed consent and genetic modification, the problem lies in who must be consented. Human fetuses are not given the legal status of personhood, which leaves the mother of the child to consent. One prior effort used to solve the problem of informed consent is an escape clause for the child once it's born. This allows the subject who no longer wishes to participate in research that may be done on them to revoke their consent at any time. Another issue related to CRISPR-Cas9 is related to its technological errors, including off-target effects, difficulty of delivery into cells and tissues to achieve therapeutic effects, and mosaicism. In an attempt to address these technological issues, the International Summit on Human Gene Editing was held in Washington, D.C. to address both the technological issues and impacts of genome editing on society and scientific research. The committee concluded that human embryo gene editing would not be prohibited, but must be used with extreme caution. Prior to clinical trials, it must be determined that the benefits outweigh the risks, making sure policy decisions consider values of society and that the diverse perspective of individuals, countries, and cultures are respected. Strict regulations must also be followed when utilizing this technology. This concludes my portion on the issue, its significance and background, and prior efforts and their effectiveness at solving the problem for pro-genetic advances.